Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath the video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform, that if you're enjoying my content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping me grow on the YouTube platform. All right, today is a little bit different for me, and it's been nice because as my channel is growing and my Instagram is growing, I'm getting reached out to by some companies that are ones that are products that I've already had the opportunity to use and enjoy. So when they mention that they would like to send me over a package of a couple of products, I'm really intrigued to have the opportunity to try them. This is not sponsored. It's just a company reaching out that they saw my post and they saw their brand show up multiple times, because I'm getting them in Target boxes, I'm getting them in Allure boxes, and I've also purchased them on my own. So the company and brand that I'm talking about is called Acure, and that's the box that we have here, and this is the box that I received. And inside the box it simply says it's 100% vegan. It has zero it's paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free, petroleum free, formaldehyde free, cruelty free. And I decided to sit down because I really didn't know a lot about certain things. I wanted to make sure that if I'm going to sit down and learn for myself, that's what my channel is as I'm learning, I'm sharing with you guys here. So as you know, I take notes. This is the end of the day, so if my voice is a little hoarse, I apologize. I also have some notes on some of the ingredients that are buzz ingredients that a couple of them I didn't know what they were. That's what started the research, but some of the other ones are 100% of that ingredient. And as you've known with boosters that I've shared with you on my channel and things like that, the potency is 100%. It's because the ingredient is so important. But everything within this line, I feel it, for my skin, which is combo, so it's got the oil, it's got the I got it all. I got the acne, I got the dryness, and I also have the aging. So what I really enjoyed was the more I read about a lot of the ingredients that were in here, it really made me want to even try the products even more. So the first product that because the package came late, but I had an opportunity to wash my face and put a little bit of makeup on, I wanted to make sure to tell you guys about this one first. This is the Seriously Soothing Cleansing Cream. And this one is the full size. It's 4 ounces and it is $9.99. And this one says it is a peony extract and chamomile, and it's good for normal to sensitive skin, and it's a cleansing cream. And what they simply wrote was, don't be so sensitive, take a deep breath and relax. This is a soothing blend of argan extract, peony extract, sunflower, amino acids, and it's rich in hydrating goodness. It is a gentle, creamy cleanser that will give your face feeling calm, clean, and collected. Now, like I said, when I washed my face with this, I felt it wasn't stripped at all. My face still felt hydrated and clean at the same time. Now, argan oil is something that I've used for the longest time, but argan oil in its purest form, for my skin, is just too heavy. So that's what I've learned. So whenever I really got introduced to it through this Josie Moran brand, because argan oil is from Morocco, and it's this precious one tree, and the oils that they take out of the whole thing. So I know the whole story. What I found when I used hers is good for everything, for moisturization, for anti-aging. It's a really fantastic ingredient. But like I said, on its own, it's just too heavy for me. So in this one, they also had chamomile, which is what I felt was the calming, and then the peony, which was the scent, which I found to be very relaxing. But the other ingredient that was in here was called calendula, and that one I wasn't familiar with at all. So I decided to look it up, and it simply said that it helps with the treatment for inflammatory skin disorders. It helps with wound healing and things like that. So for me, that's why this is good for sensitive skin. So I really enjoyed this. I thought this was really soothing and hydrating, and I was really impressed with it. These came completely sealed on the outside. There was no safety seal inside. There was enough on the outside. And this is what the cleansing cream looks like here. So it is a really soothing, hydrating cream. So it's a cream cleanser. So really, really happy that that was in here because I really enjoyed using it. And normally I would stay away from that. And now I have to learn that I'm able to play with a lot of products that maybe I wouldn't have, that I would look like a cleanser that's for hydration. I have to get into my head that there's with hydration is what we all need, and especially as we get older, that's what's really, really important. So that's the first item that was in here. The next item that was in here was one that I was so happy because I've read a lot about this ingredient here that's called Bakuchiol. I'm going to pronounce this incorrectly, and please correct me if I'm wrong. And if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products for yourself, please share that in the comments down below as well. This one is called the Radically Rejuvenating Overnight Bakuchiol Treatment. And that's the one that I'm trying to read to you guys right here. And this, they're saying, from what I just saw on their website, is a $24.99. It came in this box, and it's this little guy here. And this is a 1.7 fluid ounce. And this is that Bakuchiol oil and plant squalene. And they're saying this is a luxe overnight treatment that is the plant-based retinol alternative. So I wanted to look up some more information about that so that I'd be able to understand, you know, what that meant. So this one came with a really strong, almost like a metal seal on it. It was really hard to open up and take out. But it came out almost like, I was really excited because I thought it would be like more oily or things like that, and it isn't at all. So let me just read you a little bit about this ingredient that really surprised me. So they're saying research has shown that this, I'm gonna pronounce this incorrectly and I so apologize, Bakuchiol has range of anti-aging benefits for the skin. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It helps restore firmness, refine the skin texture, and even out the skin tone. It also helps to calm the skin, making it a good option for those whose skin shows signs for sensitivity. It's also a plant-powered retinol alternative, which means there's no sun sensitivity. Because normally when you have retinol in your product, they tell you to always use it only at nighttime. So I was really, really excited to learn about that. So that's really, really exciting. And that's what that product looks like here. So it goes on like a lotion. And my skin, when I initially tested it on my skin to make sure that everything was good, which it is, it was really soothing. But the scent that I'm smelling, this has no scent, is from the beautiful cleansing cream, which is just so relaxing. All right, the next item that we got in here is also came in this box, and the next one that I have is this Niacinamide serum. Niacinamide is a dream ingredient. So this is in here. This came in this full glass bottle here. And what they wrote here, they're saying this is $19.99 and it's a 1 fluid ounce. And they're saying this is niacinamide, hemp seed oil, and zinc. And they're saying it will visibly balance and rejuvenate with niacinamide. So this is what this is here. And I'm going to read you from my paper of what I wrote about niacinamide, because niacinamide is it's a form of vitamin B3, and it will help build cells on the skin while it also protects them from environmental stresses such as sunlight, pollution, and toxin. It also helps to treat acne. Niacinamide may be helpful for severe acne even, especially inflammatory forms, and over time you will also see improved skin texture. They're saying this you can use morning and evening, but if you're using vitamin C, they suggest that you use this in the morning. And they're saying if you suffer from inflamed skin, pigmentation, and breakouts, the niacinamide serum might be just your best option. They're also, like I mentioned, you can use this morning and night. You can also use this product as often as you like because it is so mild. You don't need to worry about alternating it in and out of your skincare routine. And whenever you use your regular normal skincare, you can always add this in. This is definitely an ingredient that niacinamide that is just a dream ingredient. So that's what this guy is here. The last item that I got in here is one that I was really happy was in here. And this is 100% plant squalene oil. And when I got introduced to squalene, it was from a facialist years ago. And she told me that all these tools that I'm using at nighttime to, with the red, infrared and all that to, help whatever that tool is supposed to do. They always said to put squalene on my face prior to using any of these tools, because it will help the tool move better on your face so you're not pulling your skin. So let me read to you a little bit about this one, and then I'll read to you what's great about squalene that I learned. And I was so excited when this was a plant-derived squalene. So it's spelt with Squalane as opposed to Ene. And this one, it's saying it is a single source glow serum. This is $19.99. And it simply says on here, it is one of the most amazing where have you been all my life single source serums out there. It is easily absorbs a light enough for you to layer daytime wear. You're going to love this simple plant derived solution. Now, when I looked up squalene to be able to tell you guys a little bit more about it from, people that know a lot more about skincare than I do, they're saying the benefits of a squalene oil for your skin, they're saying it will balance your oil production, providing just enough moisture to keep your skin clear and healthy. Squalene oil also has a powerful anti-aging property and will help the skin age gracefully, as well as anti-inflammatory benefits to help your skin condition such as acne or eczema. Squalene for acne or oily skin. If you have acne prone or oily skin, which is what I grew up with, using the wrong skincare products can trigger a breakout or worsen a blemish. Squalene, however, is safe for all skin types. And then it says when to use squalene in your routine. The best time to use squalene oil is right after you shower. You could also use squalene all over your body, not just for your face. It says after a shower, your skin is saturated with water that will quickly evaporate if you do not lock it in. Squalene is an excellent post-shower oil because it helps keep that moisture in place without leaving the skin feeling greasy or heavy. So I'm going to show you, I don't even know if I showed you the niacinamide. The niacinamide is also a very liquidy formula. This is what this looks like here. And as I've told you a million times on my channel, when you're doing skincare, the best thing is to always just think thinnest to thickest. So when it's a watery consistency, that's what you want to put on first so that it can get into the layers of the skin. And squalene, here it is here, looks very similar, but it runs the same as this, but there is like, it's for me, because I am combo, maybe girls that are dry skin, and you can leave this in the comments down below, for me, it takes a while for it to penetrate. And that's why I've always used the squalene to help move the products around. Because if I just put a simple serum on my face and then I went to use my tools, my serums would have drunk into my skin. And then I felt I was pulling at my skin, which is what you never want to do. But squalene takes its nice time where it stays on the surface, almost acting like a shield, and it enables the moisture to get and stay locked in. So it's always nice, even if you want to use it as your last step, to lock in all your good ingredients in there. So like I said, I was ecstatic that, first of all, that they noticed my posts, and they noticed I was using the products, and they wanted me to know more about their products. So they reached out, and it was really nice, and I said yes. And this is the assortment that they chose to send to me, and I'm really happy with what they chose. So like I said, we just went through the Seriously Soothing Cleansing Cream. We have the Night Plant Retinol, which I cannot believe. This is called the Bakuchiol treatment. We have the serum here that is the Radically Rejuvenating Niacinamide Serum, as well as the it's called the Essentials 100% Plant Squalene. So hopefully you guys learned a little bit like I did more about these ingredients, and so that when you'll see them, or if you want to try these products out, like I said, they're very attainable. I don't have any links or any of that. It was just them sending over a package, and I was more than happy to test some more products, because that's what I do on my channel. So once again, as always, I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time, you know how I like to end my videos, that I want everybody to continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well, and then we can start to enjoy things a little more and a little more. All right, take care, and I'll see you all soon on my next video. Bye for now.